Hello, my sweethearts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how to create this beautiful nail art on your own at the comfort of your home without the help of any other nail art equipment. So, all you would need here are three nail paints. One is a clear nail paint to protect our nails from the actual nail paint we are going to apply. Another one is a golden nail paint, which is the one that gives the magical touch to our nail art. And last but not the least, you can use any dark colored nail paint that you have with you. So let's start the tutorial. As I said earlier, I am going to prep my nails first by applying this clear nail paint on all my fingers. If you don't have a clear nail paint, then you do not have to worry. You can just skip this step and jump into the next step. Once the clear nail paint dries out, I am going to apply the dark colored nail paint on all my nails, leaving my ring finger nail. Once I am done with that, I would be applying the golden nail paint on my ring finger nail. Now comes the important part of the nail art. This is where you have to be very careful with your strokes that you are going to make, or it can spoil your entire nail art. Do not worry, just look into the tutorial and do it accordingly. So all you would want to do here is create an arc like stroke on the tip of your nails, leaving the ring finger nail. You can do it slowly and just draw small strokes according to your nail shape. Depending upon your nail size, whether you have shorter nails or long nails, you can decide whether you want to keep the arc small or big. Since I have longer nails, I am just going to keep it bigger. Once this part is successfully done, all we are left to do is to secure the nail art with a top coat. So use the same clear nail paint to do that once the nail art is completely dried. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please do try it out and let me know if you liked it or not. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Love you guys.